Hey guys, and welcome to a random ass vlog. I just got to Melbourne. So this weekend I am attending a Mechaland event. I'm not actually attending Mechaland, like the festival. I'm just attending an event with a bunch of other influencers tomorrow. So the day before the actual event starts. So I'm just currently waiting on Brittney. She is on her way here now. I think she comes in like 2 hours. So I'm gonna go and explore Melbourne City. I haven't been to Melbourne since I've been like 14 or 15. So I haven't ever been like out anywhere in Melbourne. So this is our view from our apartment. It's so pretty. One of my other friends, Bree, who is going to the event tomorrow, is also here, but she's staying somewhere else. So we're gonna go and walk around and take some photos. I really wanna go to Hosier Lane. I think that's how you pronounce it. It's just basically like a lane full of street art and like graffiti. It just looks so cool. So I'm keen to take some snaps, but yeah, just pretty much vlog. Obviously today, tomorrow, the event, and then Brittney's actually coming with me back to the Gold Coast for a few days just to chill out because I literally haven't seen her in like 2 years. Like, it's crazy. Like, the last time I saw her was 2 New Year's Eves ago, which I went over there to visit her in Newcastle. So it's been, yeah, 2 years since I've seen her. Crazy. But we've both been just so busy, and yeah, it's just so hard when we both live in separate states. So yeah, I'm super excited to catch up with her. It's always a freaking laugh. Like, I'm like just already laughing and I'm not even with her. Just the shit that we do together is absolutely munted. I need to order an Uber, so I will vlog when I get to Hosier Lane. I hope I'm pronouncing it properly. Probably not, knowing me. So I've made it to Hosier Lane. How cool is it? It's basically just a lane full of street art and graffiti. That is cool. Oh my god, so Insta-worthy. Wow. So me and Bree are here in JB Hi-Fi. Guess why? Brittney left her vlog camera in her car in Newcastle. So I've come to buy another one for her. She's here! She's finally here with a new camera.
Hey guys, it's Jazz. Makeup by Jazz. Jasmine.
What am I getting better if like sometimes you have
Matt's vlogging on Brittney's phone. Brittney's vlogging on my phone.
And you're on
And I'm on her.
Watch out! This is social media. Jazz, suck my balls. We're actually staying at like a service apartment hotel.
Matt's just on Brittney's live.
Darling. Just on live. Taken over as usual.
I'm so bad at vlogging. I'm so bad. Expert over here talking to herself. You know what? Just
Give it to the pro. Give it to the pro. Hey guys, so we just finished dinner in South Bank. We saw this amazing like fire show from the Crown Casino. It was really good. We had such a good meal. What'd you have, Jazz?
The same as you.
Same as me?
Chicken burger.
Which was a chicken burger, except I got to no tomato because tomato's fucked. And then we are just heading back to, yeah, whatever. Just like, fucking tag me.
Is it here or no, it's the next one? Do you want me to do the live here?
I don't know, like, yeah, just take the reins, girl. Take your pick. There you go. It's all happening. Oh, we're going to get run over.
That camera is really cheap though.
How you doing, Jazz?
Describe everyone.
Is that my camera?
Yeah.
Describe everyone in one word.
Brittney. Funny.
I thought you were going to say something rude.
Why would I be rude?
Because you're my bully.
I'm not. Matt. One word.
Gay.
Fabulous. Fabulous.
Can I say gay?
I'd say drunk, but sure, like, gay's probably better.
And Jazz. Makeup. Cool.
Weight loss.
Oh,
Nah, skinny legend. Yeah.
Skinny legend.
Skinny legend.
Okay, that's all of us in one word.
I didn't do one for you.
I didn't do one for you. No, I did one for you.
Indescribable.
Oh.
Yeah, I win.
Hey.
Oh.
I'm wearing a hat tomorrow, you?
Yep. Oh no, our hair's gonna be fucked then if we go out. We're gonna have hat hair.
Wear it up.
True. Bye.
Great work, Jazz. You're doing amazing.
Oh yeah, shit. Okay, let's put a flash up.
Hey guys, so it's now the next day. I'm with Fart Machine
Number 2.
We're off to Meccaland with Mecca Maxima.
Yes.
Shall we show our outfits?
Yes.
So I'm wearing I Am Gia from Princess Polly. So these are the Cobain pants. This cute little patterned crop. Boots are from Princess Polly. Hats from Princess Polly. Earrings are from Princess Polly. What are you wearing, Zim?
I'm wearing a hat from Glassons and a maxi dress from
So pretty.
Kivari with a K. And this belt is from Princess Polly with little gold things. Got some of these happening. And then some little, I didn't think I liked these, but I
No, they look good with that outfit, I reckon.
Yeah, these like little heel shoe things, just from Spendless. They were like 30 bucks, guys, get on it.
Double vlogging. I'm vlogging out the window. We're in the Uber now. Just going to pick up Bree. I feel like our vlogs are going to be the same.
They are.
So yeah, I'll vlog obviously when I get in there. I'm so excited to take some cool photos against all the cool backdrops. We got a little preview yesterday on their story, so I'm excited. Nice. I'm just copying you. I just want to be you.
Thank you.
Look at that vlogception. So cool. Hi, thank you. Yes. Thank you. How cool are these sunnies?
I dropped my camera.
They're awesome. I'm literally wearing them today. I don't even care.
What do I care about?
That is so cool. So we just got home and we got these amazing goodie bags, this skincare and makeup, so I thought I would show you guys. First though, we got some merch. How cool. And then a little hat. And then
Jazz is going through the stuff, by the way.
we got the Too Faced Life's a Festival palette. I actually have that. Oh my god, MAC Fix and
Prep and Prime.
that's so cool.
I don't have any of those.
They're so good.
Yeah.
They're like amazing. Ren Ready Set Glow.
Urban Decay Naked Petite Heat.
Yeah, I saw that there. Looks so cool. Dermalogica Professional Grade Skincare. I love Dermalogica. They're
That
so
Glam
good.
Glow Glitter Mask.
Oh, yes.
Smells like cocktails.
What's this? Hydra Kit. Never heard of this brand. Grown
Sunnies.
Alchemist. They're so cool.
Really cool for a photo.
Yeah.
They're so heavy.
I know. They were like falling down my nose. And then we got some Ciate. What's this? Glitter Flip.
This
Liquid
mascara
lipstick.
is actually so good. I
Yes,
used to buy
it is. You got me onto
One-to-one.
it.
Really?
I bought it, like the full size one when my...
This is an awesome mascara, guys.
This is the Unicorn Tears.
Fairy
oh no,
Tears.
Fairy Tears.
This is so much. Hourglass Vanish Flash Highlighting Stick.
Cool. Mario Badescu. What's in here? Yes.
This is so nice.
Yeah, they sprayed it on us today.
Stila Glitter and Glow Liquid Eyeshadow in
I love those.
Beauty Junkie.
They're so good.
Never used it. Oh, that's a nice skincare brand.
What's it called?
Drunk Elephant.
Drunk Elephant C Tango Multivitamin Eye Cream. I never use eye cream, I probably
NARS
should.
Danger Control Eyeshadow Palette.
Let's open it.
Yeah. Advanced Wrinkle Treatment.
Oh my god, need. This is the palette, by the way.
What is with this big thing sticking out the side?
Mecca Instastellar Eyeshadow Metallic.
Dude, there's so much stuff.
I know. Dewy Sticks Luminous Highlighting Balm.
Smashbox Vlada Always On Petal Metal Liquid Lipstick.
Oh my god. Mecca Max brand. I think this is a lip gloss or something.
Bumble and Bumble Dry Shampoo. Can never have enough of that.
Yeah, awesome. Hourglass Ambient Lighting Powder.
They're
Oh,
nice. They're so nice.
yes. What's that?
Billion Dollar Brows Eyebrow Pencil. Universal shade.
You can have that. You always use.
Those.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, YSL. Ooh, fancy. But I'm gonna see what color it is.
A really good skincare brand.
I like that color.
Replica. Oh, this is that fragrance thing that those girls. This replica thing. It's a perfume.
And then a eye gel.
Skin.
And that is it.
That is, and this.
And that's a cute bag. Hi. Hey guys. So Brittney and I are back on the Gold Coast. I didn't really vlog that much after Meccaland in Melbourne. And since Brittney's been here because we've just been having too much fun. We went out on the weekend and she's actually going home today. So we're going out for breakfast at my favorite place called Karma Pod in the Brickworks. They do amazing acai bowls, so I'll try and vlog when I'm in there as well. So yeah, I just thought I'd check in again because I haven't been vlogging and I'm shit with vlogging.
I feel like every vlog that you do, it's just you guys going, hey guys, so now we're here. Hey guys, so now we're here.
I'm the worst vlogger. Hi.
Hey.
Oh, that's better. Hey, I'm just driving. Probably shouldn't be doing this while driving, but oh well.
That car in front of us is blowing out some
Yeah.
serious smoke, like black smoke coming out of it.
My merch.
Mate, your car is about to blow up. Oh, boom! So yeah.
This is so flattering, this angle.
I know.
Just in my Range Rover, you know, nah, jokes, it's just an Nissan. I actually get heaps of questions asking what car I have.
Yeah.
It's a Nissan Qashqai.
But with a Q.
Yeah,
I hate that name. Qashqai.
Qashqai, yeah, it's pretty random. But yeah. See you guys when we're at breakfast. Y'all. Yum. How good does this look? I didn't even vlog what this looked like before we demolished it. That's how shit of a vlogger I am. We're so full.
The aftermath.
Hey guys, so I just went and visited my PO box, so I thought I would open some of my PR mail.
How was your PO box? Was he alright?
Huh?
How was he?
How was what?
Your PO box. You said you just visited him.
Oh yeah, it was good. I was like, what are you talking about? Okay, first thing is from Beauteous Cosmetics. Face Off Reusable Makeup Removal Towel. I feel like everyone's coming out with these. Looks like this. This is so soft. Have you seen these?
No.
I think it's like sort of same concept as that face halo thing.
Oh,
Yeah. There's just some blue glitter, some pink and white glitter, some lashes, some gold glitter. I think this is a face mask that you blend with water. Cool, thanks guys. Oh, and a highlighter. This one is from BH Cosmetics. How do I... Oh, that's awesome. Too bad Coachella's over, but this is what it looks like. That's actually really cool. This is their Weekend Festival 10-piece brush set. Oh, cool. It's just a colourful eyeshadow palette. I think these are just like gold. Oh, they are like cream eyeshadows. I think they're similar to the Stila ones. I'll just open this one so you can see. Oh, that's pretty. See if you guys can see that on the back of my hand. That's the gold one. Awesome. Thank you guys so much.
you are so gay.
What?
Thank you guys so much.
I didn't say it like that. Sand and Sky. Pink clay mask. I think I've seen these like floating around on Instagram. I'm gonna wrap up this vlog here. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Does that even like help?
I don't know.
Give thumbs up if you want, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys.